In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy any website design into Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to bring the layout of an existing web page straight into your Figma file using a plugin so you can study, iterate, or redesign it with ease. First, open the site you want to reference in your browser. If you're looking at a page built with a site builder, that's fine. The process is the same. Make sure you land on the exact page and state you want to capture, including any visible sections or menus you want imported. Next, open your project in Figma. Choose or create the file where you want the imported design to live. It's a good idea to keep a dedicated page or empty frame ready so everything stays organized when the content arrives. Now, open Quick Actions in Figma and search for plugins. In the search bar, type HTML to design. This is the plugin we'll use to process a live web page into editable Figma layers. Select HTML to design to launch it. If this is your first time, Figma may ask for permission to run the plugin. Go ahead and allow it. Inside the plugin window, you'll see a field for a URL. Paste the full address of the page you opened earlier. Double-check that the link includes any necessary path or parameters, since the plugin imports what it can load from that address. When you're ready, click Import. Depending on the page size and your connection, this might take a moment. You'll see progress feedback while it retrieves the structure, styles, and images. When the import completes, the design appears in your Figma file as frames and layers you can select, move, and edit. You can zoom in to inspect sections, detach elements, or rename layers for clarity. Fonts that aren't available locally may be substituted, so consider updating text styles to match your project's typography. Images usually arrive as fills or placed assets. You can swap them, compress them, or replace them with components. If the layout looks tightly positioned, try grouping related elements and applying auto layout to make it more flexible. You can also tidy up spacing, set constraints for responsiveness, and save colors and text as reusable styles. If anything looks off, try re-importing with the page fully visible in your browser, or check that the URL isn't blocked. Keep in mind this workflow is best for learning, remixing, or prototyping. Always respect the original site's rights and terms. That's it. You've imported a live web page into Figma and you're ready to customize everything to fit your project.